In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove horizontal scrolling on Wix, ensuring that your website looks clean and easy to navigate for your visitors. We've all been there, scrolling through a website only to be confronted with unexpected horizontal scrolling that not only disrupts the flow, but can also diminish the overall user experience. Fortunately, fixing this issue on Wix is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand what might be causing the horizontal scrolling. Typically, this happens when elements on your page extend beyond the bounds of your layout or aren't fully aligned with your intended design width. To tackle this, we'll be using the stretch option, a helpful feature in Wix that allows elements to expand and fill the full width of the page, thereby eliminating any accidental overspill that could lead to horizontal scrolling. If you're working with elements on your site that aren't already stretched to full width, the first thing you'll want to do is enable the stretch option. This option can be found in the settings of most elements. By stretching the element to align with the full width of your page, you ensure that it fits seamlessly within the browser window, effectively preventing any unwelcome scrolling. However, you may encounter situations where the stretch option is not readily available for certain items. This can occur with certain elements that don't naturally have an adjustable width setting. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround for this. You can place the element inside a strip. Strips are versatile and robust components in Wix that can hold multiple elements like text, images, and buttons. To use this workaround, drag your element into a strip, and then stretch the strip itself to full width. By doing so, the strip will act as a container that guides your element into conforming to the desired page width, ensuring a tidy and scroll-free layout. It's a straightforward two-part process that provides flexibility and control over how your website presents itself to visitors, creating a more enjoyable and seamless user experience. By following these steps, your site will no longer have horizontal scrolling issues, and you can provide a more polished and professional appearance to your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you're looking for more tips and tricks to enhance your Wix website, be sure to check out our channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you in the next video.